ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। येन धौता गिरः पुंसां विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। नत्वा सरस्वतीं देवीं शुद्धां गुण्यां करोम्यहं पाणिनीयप्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीम्। हरि ओम। In Ajanta Pullinga Prakarana, Akaranta Pullinga we have finished, and then we are seeing Ikaranta Pullinga Shabda. In that Ikaranta Pullinga Shabda, two types of Shabdas we saw. First one is Ghi Saudnyaka and another is Aghi Saudnyaka. So Ghi Saudnyaka is that Hraswa Ikaranta Shabda or Hraswa Ukaranta Shabda. Pullinga, Napunsakalinga, Strilinga, doesn't matter. Just Ikaranta, Hraswa Ikaranta, Hraswa Ukaranta. Those words are named as Ghi. So Pullinga Shabda, Ikaranta Shabda is also named as Ghi. So Hari or Guru, these are the Pullinga Shabdas which are Ghi Saudnyaka. In those Ghi Saudnyaka Shabdas, the Hari Shabda, one Pullinga Shabda we took and we declined it. Then there were two Hraswa Ikaranta Shabdas, Sakhi and Pati. We had kept them aside. That the Ghi Saudnyaka Sutra itself says that Sheshaha Ghi Asakhi. So Sheshaha Ikaranta Ukaranta Shabdaha Ghi Saudnyakaha Syuh. Then the Asakhi means except Sakhi Varjam. So excluding Sakhi Shabda, all other words are Ghi Saudnyaka, Hraswa Ikaranta. And then one more sutra is going to come for Pati, Pati Samaseva. So that's how we come to know that, okay, Pati Shabda is not directly said that he is Ghi Saudnyaka, but it is said that in the Samasa only it is considered as Ghi. Elsewhere, it is Aghi Saudnyaka. So that's how we get the two words as Aghi. And now among them, that Sakhi Shabda we had taken. Sakhi Shabda is Hraswa Ikaranta. It has nothing to do with Na, etc. But the Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachana Supratyaya comes in front of Sakhi Shabda. That Sakhi Shabda, the ending Ikara is replaced by Anang. Anang Adesha happens, Anang So by this sutra. The last Ikara gets replaced by Anang. Anang eventually remains An. So Sakha and Sakhan and then So, Supratyaya is there. That Ukara disappears, Sa remains, Sakhan Sa. That Sa gets named as Aprukta, and then Alontyat Puru Upadha. That Upadha Saudnyaka Sutra was introduced first, that what is called Upadha. And then Sakhan, in that Sakhan Shabda, that Akara which is there after Kha, Khakarottaravarti Akara, that was named as Upadha. And then Sarvanama Sthanecha Sambuddha by this sutra, that when there is the Sarvanama Sthana Pratyay is there, but it is not Sambuddhi Saudnyaka. Means what? Sambudhane Ekvachana Su is not there. Rest of the Pratyayas are there. Su, Au, Just, Out. These are the Sarvanama Sthana Pratyayas. So these Pratyayas are there. Just do not take the Sambuddhi Sarvanama. So that was excluded. Sakhan Sa. In this situation, the Upadha Dirgha took place. Sakhan Sa, Sakhan Sa. That's what the situation we got. It goes very similar to Rajan Shabda. So for example, I had taken that Rajan. So Sakhan Sa, Sakhan Sa, that's what happens. Then Sa disappears by this Halangyabhyo Dirghat Sutisya Pruktam Hal. Halantat, Dirghat Nyantat, Dirghat Abantat, Sutisi iti etesham yat apruktam tasya lopah syat. So Su, Ti and Si, these pratyayas, when all the Ikara etc. will disappear and the last Hal will remain, that Hal is just a single Al, and that will be named as Aprukta. And that aprukta is disappeared. Okay. So that is the artha of this sutra. But it should be preceded by halanta shabda, halanta anga. Halantat param dirghayam yapo tadantacha param sutisi iti apruktam hal lupyate. So hal of sutisi will disappear, but the anga should be ending with hal. So here sakhan, sakhan, sa. In this situation, sa is aprukta ekahal of su pratyaya, and it disappeared. It is ready to get disappeared. Why? Because the word is ending with hal, sakhan. And that's how the sa disappeared. Just sakhan remained. Then next sutra came sakhana. This is how we got prathama vibhakti ekvachan. Next sutra came that nalopa pratipadikantasya. The pada which is named as pratipadika also, which has the name pratipadika. So pratipadika plus it has one more name, what? Pada. That type of word, when it is ending with na, that na will disappear. So sakhan shabda is already pratipadika saujnaka by arthavada dhatura pratyaya pratipadikam. This is the sutra arthavada dhatura pratyaya pratipadikam, that which has meaning arthavat adhatu, but it is not dhatu. Arthavat adhatu apratyaya, it is not pratyaya. Arthavada, and it is not pratyayanta as well. So apratyaya apratyayanta. So sakhan is sakhan was already named as pratipadika, and now the su has come. Because of su, it got the name pada. So pratipadika plus pada, both the saujnas are there to this sakhan. Now the na disappears, nalopaha pratipadikantasya, and just sakha remains. So that was the prathama vibhakti ekvachan. Next one atidesha sutra. We saw atidesha sutra. So far we were seeing just saujna sutra, paribhasha sutra, vidhi sutra, and then this sutra came, that atidesha sutra. Atidesha sutra is what? The qualities which are not there in one particular entity, whatever that grammatical entity will be there. That grammatical entity is not having that quality, and yet those qualities are imposed on that particular thing or passed to it. So su, out, just, out. These 5 sarvanama sthana pratyas, they are not actually nit, but yet consider them as nit. That's what the meaning is of this sutra. And this sutra came and it said that okay, they are not anit, but you make them or understand them as anit. When, not always, when they are following sakhi shabda. Sakhi shabda should be there, and then these 5 pratyas will be considered as anit. And that's how sakhi, the prathama vibhakti ekvachan, that su, then out, and then just, then again out, shas, no, not out, that much only. These are the sarvanama sthana pratyas. They were considered as anit. Reason for anit.
Narayan, are you going to share the screen or not?
No. Sorry, Swamiji. I thought I shared.
No.
Like that only. Here we were. So out, just out. These are the 5 pratyas, and this is the repetition of Sambodhana Prathama, nothing else. So they, when these pratyas are following Sakhi Shabda, that time they are considered as Anit. And why this Anitva Dharma was given to these 5 pratyas? So the next sutra comes Achoiniti Ajantasya Angasya Vruddhisya. That Ajanta Anga, if any Anga is ending with Ach, any Anga ending with Ach, and it is getting followed by any Anit Pratyaya. Any Anit Pratyaya. What will happen? The Ajanta Anga will get Vruddhi. So for us, the example was Sakhi, and then there was Pratyaya Au. Now Au is, though it is not Anit, yet we considered it as Anit, and then when Sakhi, it came in front of it. Because of that Aukarasya, that Au iti pratyasya Anitva Dharmat, णित्वधर्मात् सखी ते सखी इति अंगस्य वृद्धिः. That anga got vruddhi adesha, and that ikara got replaced by vruddhi, which is I. Sakh I. Oh. Now here this much only. In order to bring this ikara on the place of ikara, this Sakhyura Sambuddhav and Achoiniti, these two sutras they came in between. And now the just simple Ayadi Adesha takes place between I and Au. I it happens Sakha, I and Au. Finally, the answer is ready. Sakhayo. Sakhayo, and the same thing happens with Sakhi plus Shas. Sakhai plus Shas. Sakhai plus As. Sakhai plus As. Sakhayah. Sakha, Sakhayo, Sakhayah. Sakha plus Sakhi plus Vruddhi. The is considered as Anit. Anitva Dharmat. Sakhai. Ayadi Adesha. Sakhai. And then final answer is ready. Sakhayam. Again Sakhayo as it is Sakhayo. Ditya Bhakti Dvivachan. And now the next is Sakhi plus Shas. Ditya Bhakti Bahuvachan. I think till this Rupa we had come in last class. Or we solved. No, we didn't solve. Sakhi plus Shas. Here we had come. Now, Sudanapunsakasya, by this sutra, Sut means these 5 pratyas are named as Sarvanamasthana pratyas. So, just out. Rest of the pratyas are not Sarvanamasthana pratyas. They are Asarvanamasthana pratyas. Sakhyura Sambuddhav, by this sutra, we gave Nidvad Bhava to some Sarvanamasthana pratyas. Means first 5 pratyas only got the name, got the dharma of Nit pratyas. Nitva dharma was passed. And that's why Achoiniti, this particular sutra was applied and Vruddhi was happening everywhere. Sakhi plus Au, Sakhai plus Au, Sakhi plus Shas, Sakhai plus Shas, Sakhi plus Sakhai plus Sakhi plus Au, Sakhai plus Au. That's what was happening. Now, why it was happening? Because those 5 pratyas are Sarvanamasthana pratyas. That's why this Nitva dharma was coming, and because of Nitva dharma, Vruddhi was happening. Now, Shas pratyaya Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachan is not Sarvanamasthana. It is just simple pratyaya. It is not Sarvanamasthana. It is Asarvanamasthana. Now, Nitva dharma comes only to the Sarvanamasthana Saudnyaka pratyas. Shas is not Sarvanamasthana Saudnyaka pratyaya. It is general, common pratyaya. So, this Nitva dharma is not there. Because of Nitva dharma is not there, the Achoiniti sutra will also not be applied. Means the Antya Vruddhi will not happen. Sakhi plus E, this will remain as it is. Shas will become As. Sha will disappear by Lashakva Tadhite. And then Tasya Lopa. Sha will get its Saudhnya, it will disappear. Now, Kh, here the sutra, just common sutra, the prakriya, just like Hari, we will do. Sakha, E is there. E. What sutra will be applied here? Same sutra as we applied.
Koyanachi.
No. Koyanachi is prapta, true. But Vishishta Sutra has come.
Prathamayoho Purvasavarnaha.
Correct. Prathamayoho Purvasavarnaha. So, Akaha Prathamayoho Purvasavarnaha Dirgha Ekadesha Sya. Prathamayyoho means Prathama Dvitiya Vibhakti Pratyayas are there. Whenever the Prathama Dvitiya Vibhakti Pratyayas are there, there the Purva Savarna Dirgha takes place on the place of both the letters. Sakha is the Shabda. As, which is Shas Pratyaya, it is Prathamayoho means Prathama Dvitiyayoho. The Pratyaya of Prathama Vibhakti and Pratyaya of Dvitiya Vibhakti. When they are there in front of Shabda which is ending with Ak. Sakhi Shabda is ending with Ak because A, I, U, Rul, Ru. So these are the letters which come in Ak. So E is coming in that. That's why it is Ak. Now it is getting followed by Prathama Dvitiya Vibhakti Pratyaya. Shas is Dvitiya Vibhakti Pratyaya. So E also will be dismissed. It will disappear. And A also will disappear because the Ekaha Adesha Syat. Purvaparayoho Ekaha Adesha Syat. So Kha Dirgha E will come and then Sa. Reason is Prathamayoho Purva Savarnaha. Prathamayoho Purva Savarna Dirghadesha Syat. So E came on the place of that short E plus A. Now here one more sutra will be applied.
Tasmat shasoho nah punsi.
Correct. Will be replaced by na. So nah punsi. Tasmat Kruta Purva Savarna Dirghat means where we have brought Purva Savarna Dirgha. Here we did the Purva Savarna Dirgha. Where you have already done Purva Savarna Dirgha, and after that Purva Savarna Dirgha, if you find Sa of Shas Pratyaya, that Sa will be replaced by Na. Is the meaning of this sutra. Tasmat Kruta Purva Savarna Dirghat. What is that Tasmat is indicating? It is indicating Purva Savarna Dirgha. Where you have already done Purva Savarna Dirgha, na? After that, if there is Sa of what? Sa of Shas. This is the Shas. So this Sa, what we are seeing here, is of Shas Pratyaya. Sha disappeared, A also gone. Now just Sa is remaining and it is belonging to Shas. It is of Shas. That is replaced by Na. Just we have to remember this will happen in only Pullinga. Punsi Tasmat Kruta Purva Savarna Dirghat Shasaha Sasya Nasyat. So Sakhin. Answer is ready. Sakhin. Sakha, Sakhayo, Sakhayaha, Sakhayam, Sakhayo, Sakhin. That's it. Now, is this form clear? Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachan.
Yes.
Yes.
So let's move to the next. Sakhi plus. Now you can tell the prakriya. Sakhi plus ta. Easy prakriya it is.
It will be Sakhi plus A because of Chutu.
Sakhi plus A.
And after that, this is not ghee. So just ikoyachi only.
If it was ghee, then basically this sutra will not be applied. Ango nastriyam. Astriyam angah nasyat. Gisaudnyakasya. So this is Pullinga Hrasva Ikaranta, but it is not Gisaudnyaka. Therefore, na will not come. Na comes on the place of ta. and that's how we get the form Harina. Now Sakhina does not happen. Why? Because this is not Ghisaudnyaka. So ta, just ta disappears, a remains, Sakhi plus a, general eco yanachi, yanadesha takes place. And the Rupa is ready, Sakhya. Sakhi plus Bhakti Dvivachan form. Nothing happens. Here, if you remember, what was the sutra for Rama plus Bhyam? The form is Ramabhyam. Form is Ramabhyam. But why this Rama turned into Rama? Because that is the difference.
Supicha.
Supicha. By Supicha Sutra, that Adantanga becomes Dirgha. Sakhi is Ajantanga. Therefore, nothing happens. Sakhi plus Bhyam, Sakhi Bhyam. The form is declined. Sakhi plus Bhis. Again, in the case of Rama, it had become Ramais. Rama plus Ais. Rama plus Bhis. It had turned into Rama plus Ais. The sutra was Ato Bhisa Ais. This was the sutra. Here, in the case of Sakhi, Bhis will not be replaced by Ais. Reason?
Anga is Akaranta Anga should be there
Adanta.
for Atto besides.
Correct. Ato, it is clearly written that Adanta Anga should be there. So therefore, it does not happen. So Sakhi is not Adanta Anga. So Bhis will remain Bhis only. So Sakhi, Bhiru, the Sasayusho Ruhu. Sakhi, Bhir. And then final answer is ready. Sakhi bhi Rava Sanayor Visarjaniyah. Now Chaturthi Vibhakti Ekvachan Sakhi plus Nge. What will be the prakriya?
A, Sakhi plus A.
Sakhi plus A. Plus A. The Ngakara disappeared by Lashakvatadhite. Okay. Then what will be the next step?
Iko Yanachi.
Ekoyanachi, Yan Sandhi will take place. Ekoyanachi. So answer is ready. Sakhe. What was the form Hari plus Nge? What prakriya had happened for Hari plus Nge?
Iko Yanachi na should be Krishna.
Huh?
Iko Yanachi.
No,
Na
then
Shuddhi.
Harye it will happen.
Not there, here.
What then? Then this Sakhi Shabda, Pati Shabda and Hari Shabda. Because again one more Saudhya is going to come, and these are the pratyas Chaturthi, Panchami, Shashti, Saptami. These are the pratyas where the again and again we will have to remember the some Saudhnyas which we have already given to this Hrasva Ikaranta, Hrasva Ukaranta Shabdas. So okay, I will tell the work. You can remind me the sutra. Her it becomes A, and then A. What is the sutra? Huh? Ji?
Nirgiti.
Heringiti.
Nirti.
Heringiti. So घेः अंगस्य गुणः स्यात् ङिति प्रत्यय परे सति. ङे is ङित प्रत्यय and therefore the ikar will be replaced by guna. It will get guna. Hare plus a. Now the simple what sandhi will take place? A plus a.
Echo yavayavah.
Correct. Echoyavayavah. I plus a. Hara ye. Okay. Whereas here just yan sandhi takes place in the case of Sakhi Shabda. Why? Sakhi Shabda is not Ghi Saudhnika, Gher Ngiti Sutra is not applied, just Eko Yanachi is applied. Then Sakhi plus Bhyam is just regular form, ready. Sakhi Bhyam. Then Sakhi plus Bhyas. Nothing will happen, just simple prakriya. Sakhibhyah Sasayushoruhu. Then Kharavasanayor Visarjaniya. Rutu Visarga. Sakhibhyah form we get. Chaturthi Bhakti is done. Sakha, Sakhayo, Sakha, Sakhayo, Sakhayah. Sakhayam, Sakhayo, Sakhin. Sakhya, Sakhibhyam, Sakhibhi. Sakhye, Sakhibhyam, Sakhibhyah. Forms are clear. Chaturthi, till Chaturthi is clear.
Yes, Ji.
Now we will enter in the new prakriya. Now we have Sakhi and plus Nis pratyaya. Panchami Bhakti. Nasi. Nasi pratyaya is there. Panchami Bhakti Ekvachan. It will remain Sakhi plus us. He will disappear, Nga will disappear. By Lashakvatadhite. The Nga disappeared by Lashakvatadhite. Tasya lopaha. It got its Saudhya, it disappeared. Sakhi plus us. In this situation, okay. Now, before we go to the move to the next sutra, Sakhi plus us. What will happen here?
Eco energy.
Eco energy. And what will not happen here? Means what was supposed to happen, but it does not happen.
Like in case of Hari.
Yes, correct. Hari, in case of Hari,
Nasingasoscha Sutra was Nasingasoscha Sutra was applied.
Nasingasoscha Sutra will come after. Nasingasoscha will come later. First one sutra will come. Before that one sutra will come. Nasingaso will do the Purva Rupa. Same thing for Chaturthi Vibhakti what we did. Guna we will do, and then the Purva Rupa will happen.
Geriti.
Geherniti, niti pratyaya pare sati, gehe gunah syat, then ngasing asoscha. In the case of ngasi pratyaya and ngas pratyaya, Purva Rupa will take place. And we will get harehe, harehe. For Panchami Vibhakti Ekvachan harehe, Shashti Vibhakti Ekvachan harehe. Guroho, guroho. That's what the pratyas will get. So here, Geherniti is not applied. Sakhi plus as, what will happen? The guna will not happen to ikara, but just the common yanadesha will come. Sakh, e plus as, then sakh, ya plus as. What is the sutra? Iko yanachi is the sutra. Iko yanachi. Ikasthane yansyat acha samhitayam. So here ik got replaced. Ikara got replaced by yakar. Sakha, ya, as. Correct? Now we will write like this. Sakhya plus as. Okay? Sakhya, the yanadesha has come. This much means the prakriya is clear, the form in front of us.
Yes, ji.
Same, one more shabda we will take. Pati.
Yes.
Plus ngasi. What will happen? Pati plus as. Okay, just I have taken here. Pati plus as. Now, Pati, E, and then us. Suddenly I have taken, but just same thing. We need this Pati also. Now, Pati here also, Gherngiti will not be applied because Pati Shabda is also not Ghi Saudnyaka. Sakhi is also not Ghi Saudnyaka. Sakhi and Pati, both of them are not Ghi Saudnyaka, and they are getting followed by Ngasi Pratyaya. Okay. Now, here, Pat, E will be replaced by Ya, by Iko Yanachi. As is as it is. Yanachi. So here we got Patya and here we got Sakhya plus as. Correct? So till this is okay.
Yes.
Here we just I'll mark. Sakhya as, Patya as. Now let's move to the next sutra. Let's read the sutra. Khyatyaat parasya, khyatyaat parasya, khyatyaat parasya, khyatyaat parasya. This is the sutra. Khyatyaat Panchami Vibhakti Ekvachan, Parasya Shashti Vibhakti Ekvachan in sutra. Now let's understand what is sutra. What sutra is saying. Before that, okay, before we go to the sutra, the basic meaning I will say that Uhu Syat. Okay, Uhu Syat. This is the main meaning of this sutra. Ukara is going to happen. To whom it is going to happen? It is going to happen to At. Ataha Uhu Syat. Ataha At. When this At word is declined, Shashti Vibhakti Ekvachan is Ataha. Ataha Uhu Syat. On the place of Ataha Uchcharana Prasange Uhu Syat. Ukara iti Uchchara Syat. So A will be replaced by U. This is the meaning. Which A? So ngasi ngasoho, ngasi ngasoho ataha uhusyat. Akara of ngas and akara of ngasi and akara of ngas will be replaced by u. Okay. So ngas and ngasi, this Panchami Shashti Vibhakti Ekvachan Pratyas, their akara is going to get replaced by u. Okay. Sakhya was the situation, and then there was us, and then patya and us. Here these akaras of sakhya us, patya us, those akaras will be replaced by u. It will eventually turn into us. This nasing asoho ataha uhusya. Now, but what type of nasing as? Is there any other condition? How did you take this sakhya and patya, these two words? So that explanation is given here. What? Ti shabdabhyam, then khiti shabdabhyam, yana deshabhyam parasya. Parasya nasing asoho atah uhusya. The remaining sentence will complete like this. That word which ends with kha, khi, and that word which ends with ti. Word should be ending with kha, khi, and it should be ending with ti. Again, one step ahead. Forget this word. This khiti shabdabhyam na. This word we will see later. So therefore we will remove this. Okay. Khiti shabdabhyam kritayanadeshabhyam. So word which is ending with khi, which is sakhi and nasi. This was the pratyaya. Nasi us is remaining, and pati us is remaining. Sakhi, khi, you see this khi. So shabda which is ending with khi, shabda which is ending with ti. These are the khiti shabda. Khiti shabdabhyam kritayanadeshabhyam. In this situation itself, akara does not turn into ukara. But what it is saying? Kritayanadeshabhyam. Where there we have already done the yanadesha. There we have already done the yanadesha. So sakhi plus us and pati plus us. What did we do? We did yanadesha first. We got sakhya us, patya us. Now khiti shabdabhyam, krutayanadeshabhyam, khiti shabdabhyam. Those shabdas which are ending with khi, ending with ti, and where we have already done yanadesha, then in that situation you turn this akara into ukara. Nasing asoho atah uhusya. That is the meaning. So therefore, first we have to turn this sakhi into sakhya, pati into patya, then the Panchami Bhakti Ekvachana Pratyaya Nasi, that akara of that Nasi turns into u, so us it happens. So sakhi, us, pati, us. Okay. Kim? This is clear.
Yes.
So what situation we got? Sakyus. Then
Patyus.
ru. Patyuru also same. Sakyus, patyus. We will complete the sakyus shabda. Sakyuru by sa sajukho ruhu. Sa sajukho ruhu. Then sakyur. Deshe janunasika id. Then who? Our answer is ready. Paravasana योर विसर्जनीयः। षष्ठी विभक्ति एक वचन also same. Sakhi plus ngasi ngaso it is said. Sakhi plus ngas. Sakhi plus ngas. It becomes Sakhi plus us. Then plus ya us. Yanadesha is done by iko yanachi. Then kyatyat parasya sakhya us. Then sakhya plus us. Sutra is kyatyat parasya. Turned into u. Sakhya us. We got the sakhyus. Same process. Sakhyuru. Sajuho ruhu. Then pur upadeshe janu nasika it. Tasya lopaha. Answer is ready. Sakyuhu. पंचमी विभक्ति द्विवचन, पंचमी विभक्ति बहुवचन. Sakhibhyam, sakhibhyah, just like chaturthi vibhakti. That's why we just skipped them. Same, nothing will happen. Sakhi plus bhyam, sakhibhyam. Sakhi plus bhyas, sakhibhyas, sakhibhyaru, sakhibhyar, sakhibhyah. That's it. Panchami vibhakti bahuvachan is done. Shashti vibhakti ekvachan is done. Now, sakhi plus os. What process will happen here? Plus os.
Eco energy.
Eco energy. Thing will happen. Sakh.
Only
plus
eco
I.
energy.
Correct. Sakh ya plus os. Anachi. Then our answer is Sasashoru. Sakhyos. Sakhyos. Then Sakhyoru. Then Sakhyoru Sasashoru. And then Upadeshejan Nasikait Tasya Lopah. Sakhyo ho. Kharavasanayor Visarjaniyah. Now, Sakhi plus Am. Sakhi, Shashti Vibhakti Bahuvachan. What will happen here?
Rasvanadhyapo nut.
Nadhyapo nut. Nut agama will come. Sakhi plus nut. Nut will come to the. Nut will come to Sakhi or Am. Now this nut has, it is agama. But will it be considered the part of Sakhi or part of Am? Is Adyantav Takitav. Because nut is tith. Swanadhyapo nut. Na will only na will remain. Sakhi plus na and plus am. Sakhi plus na. Now one prakriya will happen. What will happen? I will give the answer. Sutra can be given.
Nami.
Nami. Correct.
Nami.
Correct. Nami. Ajantanga will be Dirgha. Answer is ready.
Nami.
Yeah. Done. Sakina. Saki plus Ni. Now this example we have already solved. Saki plus Ni. Just we need to remind what will happen here. I will give the prakriya. Sakhi plus here comes out.
Out.
Correct. Out sutra. Out is the sutra. E plus out.
Eco energy.
Eco energy will happen. Plus out. Energy. Form is ready. Then same as Shashti Bhakti Ekvachana. Dvivachana. Sakhi plus Kos. Sakhyos. Then answer. Sakyoho. Correct. Then Sakhi plus Sup. Saptami Bhakti Bahuvachan. What will happen here?
Sakhi plus Su. Sakhi Su. And then Sakara will become Shakara.
By which sutra?
Sakara will become Shakara.
By sutra.
Adesha Pratyayoho.
Adesha Pratyayoho. एण्कुभ्याम्परस्य आदेशभूतसकारस्य प्रत्ययावयवस्य सकारस्य शकारस्य. So thus sakara turns into shakara. Sakhishu. Final answer is sakhishu. Then the sambodhana. Sakhi plus su. Now this prakriya can be explained. Sakhi plus Su. What will happen here?
Sakhi.
Okay. Anang Sau. Anang Adesha had happened in the Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachan. Will it happen here?
No.
No.
Reason?
It is Sambuddhi.
It is Sambuddhi. So Sambuddhi Varja Sau is required. So it is not Sambuddhi Varja, it is Sambuddhi Saudnaka. So it will remain as it means the this. What? Anang Adesha will not come. So Sakhi is Sakhi. But then what will happen?
Rasvasya gunaha.
Rasvat sambuddhe.
No. First we have to
Engah rasvat sambuddhe.
But it is not eng. Sakhi is ikaranta. Eng is a o I au. Sakhi is not ending
Rasva.
with.
It is rasva, no?
Yeah.
Enga rasvat. So rasva is there. Sakhi is rasva, right?
Correct. But one more sutra is applied here.
ह्रस्वस्य गुणः.
ह्रस्वस्य गुणः is sutra. सक् ई प्लस स गुण सूत्र is ह्रस्वस्य गुणः. ह्रस्वस्य गुणः. Now sakhe plus sa. Here the sutra will be applied. What? ह्रस्वात् सम्बुद्धेः. एङन्तात् ह्रस्वान्तात् अङ्गात् सम्बुद्धेः हल् लुप्यते. So sakhe. Sakhe plus 0. Oh, here itself they are supposed to be. Answer is ready. Hey sakhe. Just like hey hare. Now sakhi plus au. प्रथम विभक्ति द्विवचन. What will happen?
Nothing. Hey Sakyo. Sakaya.
Sakhayo it will happen, but why?
Sakhayo.
True, but why?
सखै अचोनिति. He will
But
get I by achoniti.
Correct, but before that one more sutra is required.
Sakyura sambuddha.
Sakyura sambuddhau. Sakyura sambuddhau gives the asambuddhi. Sambuddhi varja sarvanama sthana pratyayas are given the nitva dharma. So au will get anitva dharma, and then because of that anitva dharma, the achoyaniti sutra will come and it will do the vruddhi. I and then au. Sutra is acho. Achoyaniti. Now what will happen? Sutra is Yava Yavaha. Final answer is ready. Sakhayo. And indicator of Sambodhana is Hey. Hey Sakhayo. Again, Sakhi plus just. Same process will happen. Sakyura Sambuddha. Sambuddhi Varja Sarvanamasthana will be named as Anit. Will be given the Anitva Dharma. Because of Nitva Dharma, Achoyaniti, Ajantangasya Vruddhi Syat, Sakhai plus us, then Echoyavayavaha, Sakhai plus us, Sakhayas, Sakhayaru, Sakhayar, Sakhayah, He Sakhayah. Form is ready. He Sakhayah. Done. This is the process. Finally, we get Sakha. Sakhayo, Sakhayah, Sakhayam, Sakhayo, Sakhin, Sakhya, because it is not Ghisaudnyaka, Angonastriyam will not come, just Yanadesha will take place. Sakhibhyam, Sakhibhi. Again, Gherngiti will not come because it is not Ghisaudnyaka. Ghisaudnyaka Anga will get Guna, but it does not happen. So just simple Yanadesha takes place. Sakhye, Sakhibhyam, Sakhibhyaha. Again, here the Vishishta Prakriya comes for Panchami and Shashti Vibhakti Ekvachana, which is Sakyuhu. What happens? Satyat Parasya Sutra comes. first Sakhi plus us. Here we do Yanadesha. After Yanadesha, Krita Yanadeshabhyam, Khiti Shabdabhyam, the word ending with Khi or Ti, Khi and Ti, when they are getting followed by Panchami Bhakti Ekvachana Ngasi and Shashti Bhakti Ekvachana Ngas Pratyaya Akara, that Akara will turn into Ukara. When first we have to do Yanadesha, then that Akara will turn into Ukara. So Sakhya As turns into Sakhya Us. Sakhyus, Sakhyuhu, Sasayusharu, Rutva Visarga, Kharavasana Visarjana, Sakhyuhu, Sakhyabhyam, and then Ha, Pavachan is solved. Same prakriya for Panchami Bhakti, Ekvachana, Khyat Parasya, Akara turns into Ataha Usyat. Then Shashti Bhakti Dvivachan, as it is just simple Yanadesha, Sakhyo, Sakhyoru, Sakhyoho. Then Sakhi Naam, same prakriya what we did for Hari Shabda. Just Harasvanadhyapo Nut, Harasvantat Angat, Amaha Nutsyat, Nut came, and then this Nami by this sutra, Sakhi became Dirgha, Sakhi Naam. Sakhi Sakhyo, Saptami Bhakti, Ekvachana Pratyaya, just this out sutra came and idudhyam uttarasya ye hai out syat. Word ending with ikara, word ending with ukara, the ni pratyaya saptami bhakti ekvachana turns into aukara. No specifically mentioned, it is not specifically mentioned whether anga is ghi saudnyaka or aghi saudnyaka, just ikaranta ukaranta. So it is ikaranta ukaranta. For ghi saudnyaka, special work is given by accha ghe. That au will happen to ni, but again akara also will happen to the anga, and then hara, hari turns into hara, and then ni turns into au, and then akara and aukara vriddhi sandhi takes place. Harau, that's what the form we get. There the yanadesha does not take place because ikara gets replaced by akara. Here that does not happen because it is not ghi saudnika. So sakhyo, simple yanadesha takes place. Aukara desha happens to the ni, and then simple yanadesha. Sakhyo, sakhyoho, just like Shashti Bhakti Dvivachan. Sakhishu, simple prakriya, no, just adesha pratyayo, sa turns into sha. Then he sakhe, here the hrasvasya gunaha takes place. Ikara turns into ekara, he sakhe. Anang adesha does not happen because this anang adesha has already excluded the sambodhana ekvachana pratyaya. Anang sau. Then ayo, and then he sakhayah. Simple. Over. This is the Sakhi Shabda Prakriya. If we see this Prathama Bhakti Ekvachan, means the first 5 forms are different. First one is because of Anang Adesha, and rest of the 4 of this Sarvanama Sthana, they are having different form because of the this Nitva Dharma and Achoyaniti Sutra. Then Tritiya Ekvachana, Chaturthi Ekvachana, Panchami Ekvachana, Shashti Ekvachana have different forms. Tritiya Ekvachana, that na adesha does not happen. Chaturthi Ekvachana, guna does not take place. Panchami, Shashti Ekvachana, guna does not take place, but what happens? Just yanadesha takes place plus akara turns into ukara. Saptami Bhakti Ekvachana, just au adesha happens to the ni, and that at which was coming extra in the Ghisaudnaka Shabda does not come. So just simple yanadesha takes place. Rest of the word is just like same to, just like Hari Shabda. Yeah, it will be mentioned. Sakyuhu. This, the prakriya is clear. This sutra we had already seen, out sutra. Itaha parasya ngehe autsya. Had we read and seen this sutra? Or I had just explained.
What is the question there?
Had we read this out sutra and explained, or I had just taken it? Just
We
simple.
read it, but I don't remember that there was any explanation.
Okay. So I just took and I declined this Sakhya. Simple. Once we will read sutra and in short I will explain. We will conclude the class. Out. So this sutra comes before Achaghehe sutra. Achaghehe we have already seen. So there it just, to understand it, there itself becomes more easy. Here it is. Out. Here there is the anuvritti of idudbhyam. The previous sutra is idudbhyam. So idudbhyam ngehe out syat. Ngehe is coming from this sutra. Ngeram nadyam nibhya is the sutra. Ngehe is saptami vibhakti ekvachana pratyay. Ngehe out syat. May nge be replaced by out when it is preceded by idudbhyam. Ikarantat ukarantat ngehe out syat. Simple. So Sakhi Shabda is Ikaranta Shabda and it is getting followed by Ni. Ni will be turned into Au. So Ni becomes Au and then simple Yanadesha takes place. Ngehe idudbhyam autsyat is the itaha parasya ngehe autsyat. Only that much it is said. The original is idudbhyam ikarat ukarat. That's what is the meaning of sutra. Then Yanadesha takes place and Achaghehe comes after that. So we have to take Ngehe idudbhyam out syat Acha kasya gehe. If it is idudbhyam ikaranta ukaranta only, but if it is having gi saudhnya, then that out will happen to Ni, but plus akara also will happen to the last letter. That is the extra work given by Achaghehe. So out is the sutra which will come for Sakhi Shabda and Pati Shabda. So Patyav and here it is Sakhyav. Sakhyav. That's what the Saptami Vibhakti Ekvachana Pratyay we had got. Out is Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachana, only Ekapadam Sutramidam. Sakhyav Shashti Vibhakti Ekvachana form is done and Shesham Harivat. Just now we saw that how the remaining word is just like Hari Shabda. So here we will conclude. We'll do Shanti Patha Swamiji.
Yes.
Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishtyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Hari Om Swamiji.